What are some of the things that we see in business that people struggle with that kind of get the conversation started about OKR? I think so often you see, and you'd see this in change management as well, right? One of the key parts of change is helping connect people with the why. Why are we doing this? Why are we going through this kind of journey? The same applies to the work that we do. Why is this important? Why does this fit into something bigger right now? So this sort of strategic disconnect that occurs is a really common thing. The other part is this sort of disconnect around what should I be focusing on day to day and how do I prioritize my work and make sure that I'm working on the right kind of things. And then ultimately, what does success look like off the back of that? So those are like some really common things that you hear people struggling with, not even at the executive level, right? It's kind of like at the team level. That's a big question that sort of pops up.
Yeah.
And so this is where OKR can come in. And we can talk a little bit more about why at the executive level in a moment. But OKR really, it's a goal-setting framework. It's something that's actually been around since the 60s. It was started in Intel by someone called Andy Grove. And they really have it built into the core of their DNA. So they still do it to this day. It's something that was taken from Intel and shared with a bunch of organizations. And really, it's quite a simple sort of concept, really hard to master, like a lot of things, right? You start with the objective. It's what we want to achieve. It's like a big, exciting sort of statement. It's engaging. Generally, it'll last for about a quarter. So you'll say, we want to achieve this big, audacious goal this quarter. Then you go, okay, how do we measure our success against that? And that's where you have generally 3 to 5 key results which underpin that. And that's basically metrics that tell you're being successful.